Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you a highly anticipated product, the FlexPatio Pergola. Today I'm gonna be the first person who's gonna put my hands on it. Let's check this out. As you can see, this pergola very solid. The one pergola I have here is the 10 to 13 feet version with a 6-inch thick column, and the entire frame made with a T5 premium alloy. Not only is it strong and durable, but it also looks way more high-end than those $2,000 pergolas you can see at Costco. Honestly, when you set this up in your backyard, it immediately upgrades the whole vibe of your space. According to the official specs, it can withstand wind up to 120 miles per hour. Yep, you heard it right. Even if you live in areas with hurricanes, our pergola will take care of it. The louvers on the top are actually double layered, which makes them stronger. They can hold up to 28 pounds per square foot. The roof also has a slight slope, and I really like this part. It's a smart little design that helps rainwater drain off faster, instead of just sitting up there. And the water, it doesn't just drip down the sides. It actually goes through the columns with the built-in drainage. And next, let's take a look at the remote feature. This part is very interesting. With just one click, you can open or close the louvers. The angle of the top slats is adjustable up to 100 degrees, so you can get full control over how much sunlight or shade you need. Just imagine, you're sitting back in your chair, drink in one hand, and with the one quick press of a button, you're adjusting the light without even getting up. It's one of those small features that make a big difference in everyday comfort. This pergola also comes with a built LED strip lights, and they are not just basic white, you have got 7 different colors, so you can choose. So whether you're throwing a party, having a cozy dinner, or just want to set the mood, you're covered. It really adds that extra vibe at night and makes your outdoor space feel a lot more alive. And yep, the side screens are controlled too. Personally, I really recommend getting these screens. They do a great job at blocking the sun when it's low, and more importantly, they help keep bugs out. It just makes the whole space way more comfortable, especially in the evenings. Now here is the part that really sets this pergola apart, the built-in power column. Right here on the post, you have got 3 110-watt outlets and 3 USB ports. Most pergolas don't come with power, but ours is different. And by the way, ours is safe, so you don't need to hire an electrician, which is gonna get expensive. No extra wiring, no added cost. Just imagine, you can plug in speaker or even portable TV and enjoy the outdoor vibes with your family. There is even a little shelf where you can put your phone while it charges. Super handy. And on the both sides, you have got pegboards with holes where you can put your stuff. They are magnetic too. Now I know, some of you might be wondering, is an electric pergola really safe? And honestly, with FlexPatio, you don't need to worry. All the power outlets are rated IP67, so if there is splashing water or a heavy downpour, everything stays protected. Inside the column, the wiring is well thought out. There is a separate drainage pipe and a dedicated cable channels, so water and electricity are physically isolated. Up in the beam, where the wiring connects, there is a small gasket pad. The cables are wrapped up and lifted on it, which keeps them from sitting in the water. And every FlexPatio pergola comes with a built-in GFCI breaker. When the green light is on, everything is working safely. If anything goes wrong, the red light turns on, and it will automatically shut off power in 0.05 seconds. to prevent shock or overload. There is even a self-test bottom, so you can simulate a fault and check if its safety protection is working properly. One thing that really stood out to me about the FlexPatio Pergola compared to other I have seen is how smart the structure is. It's clever designed to lock into place without needing a bunch of different tools. That means it's not just sturdy, but also very easy to install. They actually got the whole thing set up in one morning, with the whole family helping out. It was kind of fun, honestly, and way less stressful than I expected. So to wrap it up, I've got to say, FlexPatio really surprised me. It's not just good looking, it's solid, smartly designed, and super practical. From the electric lures, built-in outlets, remote screens, to easy installation. It really feels like it's built for a modern outdoor living. If you're thinking about upgrading your backyard or creating a cozy outdoor space, this is definitely a pergola worth considering. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you got any questions, I will do my best to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe.